Hi YouTubers, in this video you're going to learn how to unlock Pro YouTube thumbnails using a free Pro ChatGPT Plus prompt that I created right here. It's called Visualize It. It's your path to perfect images. You can get this right on the GPT store for where all the prompts are located. I also got a bunch of other ones. Just look for my name there and you can find whatever you're looking for. I got like 15 of them I created. So they're pretty cool though. But this one's really useful. I'm going to read the description for you. Then I'm going to show you some of the images I created with it. And I'm using this a lot for creating YouTube thumbnails. If I'm in a hurry, I'll use this. But it's creating really good thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you what it is creating. So if you're using it for, if you're looking for a good prompt for pictures, for blog posts, I use it a lot for featured images and actual images inside my blog posts. And like I just got done saying, for YouTube thumbnails, it does a really good job at that as well. But let's get into that description. It says, set sail on an awesome journey to turn your ideas into amazing visuals. This guide helps you craft the perfect image for any need, combining your vision and personal flair into something truly special. Perfect for anyone looking to make their mark with unique, eye-catching visuals. And I'm going to show you what this does real quick. So what you're going to do is put whatever kind of picture you're looking for, put it down here, obviously in the bar down here, hit enter, and then you're going to see this right here. I just put my title of my this video in it right now. YouTubers unlock Pro YouTube thumbnails, free Pro ChatGPT Plus prompt revealed. And it says, absolutely, let's craft a perfect YouTube thumbnail for your video using a free Pro ChatGPT Plus prompt. And obviously, you can get a lot more detail than that. This is just for demonstration purposes. But it says, step 1, vision and purpose, where it shines, YouTube, emotional tone, inspiring and engaging. Step 2, theme and branding. Then you got theme and branding. You got success, growth, and professionalism. Branding, yes. Use colors and elements that resonate with the YouTube aesthetic. Include the YouTube logo in your channel's branding elements. You can see step 3, style and detail. Step 4, technical specifications. It's always in the highest resolution that this version of ChatGPT Plus can create visuals or pictures in. In this case, being a YouTube thumbnail. It says format, digital, optimized for YouTube thumbnails. It's even got the correct size here. 1280 by 720 pixels. Message and inspiration. And it gives you a prompt. Look how in-depth these prompts are. Create a hyper-realistic and highly detailed YouTube thumbnail. The thumbnail should feature bold, attention-grabbing text that reads, unlock Pro YouTube thumbnails. Free Pro ChatGPT Plus prompt revealed. Use a mix of bright and contrasting colors to make the text stand out. Incorporate elements like the YouTube logo, upward arrows, or a graph signifying growth, and an image of ChatGPT. Ensure the thumbnail is optimized for YouTube's dimensions, 1280 by 720 pixels, and reflect a professional and inspiring tone. Now that's what you're going to come up with. It gets real detail in what you're trying to create, and you can always add to it, obviously, and personalize it a little bit more. But these are the pictures that it produces. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. This was awesome. This is one of the better ones I've got from it. But this is for a get response video that you can find on my YouTube channel. It's got the AI model. It's a mind-blowing new get response review. Everything's spelled correctly. It looks awesome. So this is really an attention-grabbing thumbnail. I think I'll get a lot of clicks from it. And it tells you create a highly realistic YouTube thumbnail featuring an attractive AI model with a wow expression and mouth open, pointing at text that says, new get response review with mind-blowing in the background. This model should be eye-catching and the overall design should be very engaging and click-worthy. Ensure the size is suitable for a YouTube thumbnail. Now, I didn't give all this detail. This prompt creates this automatically, so that's the power of it. Also created this one, which is, these two are pretty good as well. The bottom one was my favorite. This one, which they're all good. Just the bottom one's the best, and these two are mediocre. But that's the prompt. Like I said, you can use this for blog posts. You can use it for your YouTube thumbnails, whatever you're going to have. You want to create a picture fast and get the best possible results, and you're using ChatGPT, the Plus version. Come on over and check out my prompts called Visualize It, Your Path to Perfect Images. Right there, and I also got a bunch of other ones as well. And I'm going to show you real quick. Whoops, okay, here we go. Now we got all my GPTs here. I got social media one, a comedy one, master AI video editing, super prompt from human-like AI detectable content. That's a really good one. Another humanizer, pass AI detection prompt. There's all kinds of prompts I've created. So come on in and check them out. They're pretty cool. A lot of them are relatively new. But I'm using my own prompts all the time. They're good. I created them because it was something that I needed for my business, so I made them myself, and they work really well. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to the prompt will be directly below this video. And I'm also going to end this video on I'm giving away a free PDF. Hang on one second here. We're going to go to my site here. I want to end this video on another positive note, which is right here. I'm giving away instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Free PDF to the top tools. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. Link to this will be directly below as well. It'll be the second link below or inside the video itself. I'm also giving away a 1-hour bonus video. It's jam-packed with insights about AI writing secrets exposed, creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. Very good video. You're going to want to get your hands on this, trust me. And this AI editing guide, if you're doing any kind of YouTube marketing, this is going to be useful for you. If you got a YouTube channel, pick it up. It's free. And just let me know where to send it, and I'll send it to you ASAP. You'll get instant access as soon as you put your favorite email address in there, and I'll be more than happy to send it to you ASAP. So with that being said, thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye-bye.